What is the best lie you have ever told your child? When my daughter was just 5 years old, I was a young, struggling single mom. All she dreamed about was going on a vacation, packing her little suitcase and exploring new places. It was everything to her. But with a tight budget and a demanding job, a real vacation was out of reach. Then I had an idea. We lived just an hour from Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk. It wasn't far, but to a 5-year-old, it could feel like a world away. Early one morning, I gently woke her up and whispered, "We're going on an adventure." She was thrilled. As we started our drive, she soon drifted off to sleep, just as I'd hoped. I took my time, driving slowly, letting her nap. When we arrived, I gently woke her, saying, "You slept the whole way. We're finally here." Her eyes sparkled with excitement. We found a small, affordable motel, and it felt like a palace to her. She eagerly unpacked her little suitcase, placing her clothes neatly in the drawers, as if she was on the grand vacation of her dreams. We spent 2 magical nights and 3 days at that motel, making memories she would cherish forever. On the drive back, she fell asleep again. When we reached home, I gently carried her inside, making sure my little secret stayed hidden. To this day, she believes we went on a grand vacation, far away, just as she always wanted, and that's a memory I'll cherish forever.